welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the BoxyCharm Premium box, and this box I have been getting since the beginning. I haven't done an unboxing, I believe, since March or February. I can't remember which one I did, but I did take a couple months off due to the quarantine and just being home with my kids. I did still receive the box, but didn't open them. Didn't open them on film. I will say last month's premium box was kind of a letdown. I know a lot of people felt that way on the videos that I watched, so let's see if this box is any better. I will say I did not get to choose a product in this box. I missed the window for that, so unfortunately I don't even know what the other options were. But let's just go from there. We did get a card. It is the Mother Nature, which seems appropriate for May being Mother's Day. And let's get into it. The first product on my card and in my box is the Kevyn Aucoin The Expert Mascara. This retails for $29. I've never tried Kevyn Aucoin's mascara, and I've actually only ever tried Kevyn Aucoin's face products. I have his highlighter, and the contour powder. I don't think I have any blushes. But I'm excited to try this. I am not really in the need for a mascara right now, but I'll definitely use it. I'm sure it would be good. I've always been pretty impressed with his products, and $29 seems to be about the right cost for most high-end mascaras. So the next thing that we got, which I think is the choice item, and I got the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Longwear Gilded Bronzer in the color Luminous. And I believe everyone got, I haven't seen anyone else get anything different. Oh no, I did. Someone got a palette from Too Faced, or an eyeshadow palette, I believe. So it has very nice, cute packaging. I do tend to like their bronzers, so I'm excited to try this. Luminous to me means it's gonna probably be shimmery. It doesn't really look to be too shimmery, and it doesn't look to be too warm. I mean, a little warm side, but not anything crazy. I'm super excited to try this out. I think this is going to be really good. I'm happy with what I got. So that retails for $30. The next product is the Milk Makeup Lip Glow the Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. I actually do own this in the color Astro, so I'm not going to open this one right now. I like them. I know a lot of people have been complaining because they are a mini. These run for about $15. And I get that they're supposed to be full size, and technically it is full size because you can buy this, but it is the mini of the full size item. So I get why people are a little annoyed with that. I like them. Like I said, I do own two, and this is the color, I own the color Astro already, so I'll probably put this in a future giveaway. And I like them. I don't use them on my lips. I use them more as just, I take that back. This one I use on my cheeks, not my lips. I have a lighter color that looks better on my lips and not my cheeks. But I don't find them to be oily. I know someone had mentioned that they came off oily, and I don't find that to be true, but everyone's skin different and everyone feels and thinks things are different. So, but to me, I don't feel like they do have really an oily take on the skin, but I'm excited to have it. I wish it was in a different color. I do like them, so there is that. The next thing that we got in our box is from Tarte. It's the Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. These retail for $12. It is basically a potted lip balm. I think the packaging is absolutely adorable. Mine is in the color Peony or Peony, however you say it, wherever you live. And I don't think it smells like it. Ooh. I don't smell peony or peony, but it feels really nice. It feels not like a really thick nighttime lip butter. Definitely probably daytime, but I'm not a huge fan of potted lip balms. I just would rather have a stick form, but I will use this, in the packaging, like I said, it's absolutely adorable. Alright, the next thing that I got in my box is from Pure Heals. It is the Centella 90 Ampoule, and this is obviously skincare, which I love receiving. Ooh, it's very pretty. And I believe this is not too expensive. Yes, it's $28. So definitely a more affordable brand or affordable product, which I do appreciate, because if I absolutely love it, I would want to repurchase it and don't want to spend an arm and a leg. I have a lot of children. So this feels really nice on the skin. It does have kind of a earthy smell, but it feels nice. It kind of dried fast. I do love, I believe this is Korean. Maybe not. I don't know if it is, but I do like ampoules and skincare, so this will definitely get used at my house. The last thing that I got in my box is a set of brushes, and this is from the company, let's see, Baddington Beauty. I got a powder and contour brush set. Retails for $90, which sounds silly. They look like this. They actually are very beautiful brushes. Let's take the packaging off. So they come in like a gold handle, and they feel really nice. I don't know if I would pay well, I wouldn't pay $90 for these, but I do love me a good brush. So I'm definitely gonna give them a nice little clean and try them out. I do like using this one for cream bronzers and stuff, so that will be good. And of course this could be blush or powder. So I do like these. I'm happy. They don't feel luxurious or expensive, but they definitely don't feel cheap or look cheap, I don't think. So I'm very happy with what I got. I think I got a great box this month. Just to remind you, got the brushes, the mascara, the lip cream, the Astro lip oil, and then the bronzer from Too Faced. Oh, and the ampoule, the skincare. So I think it's a great box this month. Let me know what you got. Did you get the same things I did? Are you happy? Are you mad? I definitely think that my base box was a little bit better than this box, but I can't complain. I think some of these products are really good. Definitely super excited about the bronzer and the mascara and even the brushes and the skincare. Really the only things that were kind of just a letdown is just the lip balm, but again, we'll use it, and then this product, but it's only because I already own it. But everything else in the box I think is great. Again, let me know what you got that was different. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.